Hello, everyone, and welcome to day 21 of the 30-day stretching challenge. I am here at the Hamilton Harbor to give you a cool kind of nautical background today. We are going to be focusing on stretching through the hips and the glutes in particular. This should be relatively quick practice when you could throw in throughout your workday if you're feeling a little tight or after a workout. So when you're ready, find some empty space. We will be going down onto the ground for this one, so you'll need a squishy mat or some nice carpet. To begin, we'll start with just taking a few centering breaths like we always do, standing up nice and tall through the crown of the head, inhaling through the nose and exhaling out through the mouth. Two more just like that. Inhaling and exhaling, sliding your shoulders down and back. Last time, inhaling and exhale. Awesome. Begin to shift your weight into your left foot. You're going to take your right knee into your chest. Give it a little squeeze here. Begin by pointing and flexing through the foot, waking up at the ankle and the arch of the foot. Roll your little toes. And then slowly start to guide your right knee out to the side, just opening up through the hip. And when you get there, you can have your left hand on your hip, or you can have it out for some support on a chair or the wall or something, taking some ankle rolls through the right ankle and reversing the direction. Last breath in like this. Release your knee, step your feet together, give everything a little shake out, and we'll do that on the other side. Left knee comes into the chest. Give it a little squeeze. Start by pointing and flexing through the left foot. Slowly open your left knee out to the side. See if you cannot fall over. And begin to take some ankle rolls through the left ankle. Check in with your posture. Make sure you're not crunching forward. Try to stay as open through the chest as you can. Take one full deep breath in. Slowly release your left foot down to the mat. Give everything a little shake out. We'll step back for some hip flexor stretches now. So feet hip distance. Shift your weight onto your left foot. Step your right foot back, coming into a lunge position. Inhale, reach your fingertips up toward the sky. And exhale to twist, side bending over to the left, twisting your chest open, looking up to the sky, sinking your hips forward and down. Inhale to reach up. Exhale, plant your fingertips on the mat, drop your back knee. Allow your hips to settle even further forward, melting towards the mat. Slowly walk the left foot over toward the left side of the mat. Fingertips on the mat for support. You can allow your left knee to open out wide, sinking forward. Stay here, or for a little bit more, you can come all the way down onto your forearms for a lizard. Slowly walk your hands in toward your body. Walk your left foot back to center. Tuck your right back toes, lift your back knee, bend through the front knee here, and step yourself back up to a forward fold. Shift your hips from side to side here, releasing any tension. Let your head hang heavy. Hands to your hips and slowly roll your way up to standing. When you get there, breathe in, reach up, look up. And we'll take a standing figure 4, shifting the weight into your left foot. Right ankle hooks over your left knee. Hands can be to hips, or you can grab hold of something for some support and allow your hips to sink toward the mat. Breathing in, lengthening through the crown of your head, and on every exhale, allowing your hips to sink further, deeper into the stretch. Try to unclench your jaw, relax your face. One more big breath in. Slowly stand back up. Right foot comes to the mat. Give everything a little shake out. We'll repeat that on the other side. Standing up nice and tall. Shift the weight into your right foot. Left foot steps back for a high lunge. Check in with your right front knee. Make sure it's stacked over your ankles. Inhale, reach your fingertips up. Feeling an amazing hip flexor stretch on the left side. And stay here for a little bit more of a challenge. Reach up and over, side bending to the right. Twisting and opening your chest so that you're facing up toward the sky. On your next breath, release your fingertips down to the mat. Allow your left back knee to come to the ground. Untuck your toes. Settle into this position here. And then slowly start to walk your right foot over towards the right side of your mat to make a little bit more space for your hips to release. Your right knee can fall gently out toward the side. And stay here, or for a little bit more, come down onto your forearms. Last breath in. Slowly walk your hands towards your body. Heel toe your foot back in towards center. Lift your back knee, bending through the front leg to step forward into a forward fold, allowing your head to be heavy. When you're ready, slowly roll yourself all the way up to standing. When you get there, give yourself a big shoulder roll. Now we will stretch out the IT band, which is often neglected, but very often extremely stiff. On your next inhale, reach up, look up. You're going to cross your right. Oh, we forgot figure 4, didn't we? Okay, never mind. Reach up, and we'll take a figure 4 on the other side. So shift your weight into your right foot. Left ankle hooks over right knee. Slowly sit down into a figure 4 stretch. We don't want to be uneven. That wouldn't be good. Flexing the left foot. Hands can be to prayer in front of you or to your hips. 2 more breaths in like this. And then we will do the IT band stretch. Last big breath in. Slowly come up to standing. Give everything a little shake out. And now, without further ado, cross your right foot behind your left so that the sides of your feet are touching if possible. And you're going to slowly hinge at the hips. You should feel a very significant stretch along the side of your leg. Hands can travel down to your shin or to the floor. Feel free to grab a book or a block or something if you need a little bit more support here. We'll take one more full deep breath in. Breathing into the right leg, the right back of the leg. And to go to the other side, all you have to do is now uncross your right foot and take it in front of your left. And you should now feel this on the back of your left leg, side of your left leg here. Take a full deep breath in and a full deep breath out. Unravel your feet and slowly make your way all the way down onto your seat. We're going to take a 90-90 stretch now. So your right front of your shin is going to come forward parallel to the front of your mat. Left leg bends out behind you, so you've got two 90-degree angles with your legs. Sit up tall through the crown of the head. Make sure your hips are facing as forward as you can get them. Inhale to reach up. And exhale to slowly hinge at the hips. Doesn't take much in the stretch, so just stop when you're feeling it all through the right hip. Or for more, allow your fingertips to travel forward out in front of you. Breathing, space, and openness all through the right hip. Last breath in. Slowly walk yourself back up to seated. And we'll switch over and do the other leg. All you have to do is unravel your legs. Left shin comes parallel with the front of the mat. Check in with both of your legs. Make sure they're close to 90 degrees. When you get there, inhale to reach up and exhale to hinge forward over your left front shin. On your next breath, begin to walk yourself up to a seated position. Bring the soles of the feet together to touch, finding a butterfly position with your legs. Sitting up tall, grounding through your sits bones, feeling like you're being pulled out of the crown of your head as you open through the chest. And then slowly start to walk your fingers forward to find a forward fold. Breathing space and openness into both of your hips. On your next breath, begin to come back up to seated. Give yourself a shoulder roll when you get there, opening through the chest. And we'll end with one more full body stretch. Inhale to reach up through the fingertips. And exhale to cactus the arms out to the side, shape of a T. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Congratulations on another day done in the challenge, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.